Yeah, Evan and Jess, you can see quite a bit of damage, debris really in the streets and people's yards, tree limbs, things like that. And it's really the site that we would typically see here in Oklahoma in the springtime, not in mid-July. Now, right now we're at the fire department, and this is their antenna that would typically be standing super tall up in the sky, but you can see it's bent here in multiple places from those high winds. And this is really one of dozens of spots of damage we've seen here throughout the county.
This is the first time we've ever had any damage here at the station. So yeah, this was new to us.
The Fairmont Volunteer Fire Department says they had a 4 a.m. wake-up call after storms struck down power lines, derailed a train, and split trees in half. When the fire chief showed up to the station, he saw their antenna bent, fallen over on power lines.
The winds were pretty high here. The tower has withstood a lot of winds this year. This wind was just different, I guess, in some way.
The station got the antenna in late 2021 and didn't think it would be destroyed this quickly. He says it could cost thousands to replace.
When we're in the station, this is our communication out of our station to our other trucks for our firefighters that are at the station. They can communicate with our trucks to see what we need to respond with next.
Now they'll have to switch modes of communication, saying it's not detrimental but is inconvenient, and they'll have to go on the fly until it can be replaced. But the damage didn't stop there. Community members spent the day picking up the pieces, hauling limbs, and sorting through debris. Plus, nearly 15 miles away on the west side of the county,
that's probably one of the more damaged areas, you know.
A 100,000 bushel grain bin tipped over and was smashed. The county says they estimate it could be $300,000 to $400,000 in damage. Now, if you live in Garfield County and have seen any damage, no matter how big or small, the emergency manager here asks that you report it. We'll have more information on KOCO.com on how you can do that.